Hello, welcome to Cinegears product highlight. Today we are featuring the Pro Hydraulic and Pro Dual Hydraulic Steady Arm. To mount your camera on the steady arm, use a screw and fasten it tightly to the camera. The Pro Hydraulic Steady Arm utilizes two springs to absorb horizontal swing motion. It is ideal for fast-moving shot. The Pro Dual Hydraulic Steady Arm has one extra hydraulic arm to control the horizontal swing motions instead of using springs. You can change the sag by turning the adjustment screw. It's best to keep the arm in the middle of the total travel range when camera is attached. Both of the steady arm's hydraulic damper can be adjusted for your need. It can help you to reduce most of the aftershock. For more information, please visit cinegears.com.